Welcome to eiwayshop. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion to uncover some incredible finds that look high-end but won't break the bank. Whether you're on a budget or just love scoring a great deal, these 8 affordable fashion finds will elevate your style and make you look like you've spent a fortune. Let's get started. 1. Statement blazers. Blazers are a timeless piece that can instantly upgrade any outfit. When looking for affordable blazers, focus on the fit, fabric, and details. Opt for structured shoulders and tailored cuts that flatter your body shape. Materials like tweed, houndstooth, or a sleek, solid color in a well-made polyester or cotton blend can give a luxurious feel without the high price tag. Details like gold buttons or a double-breasted style can add a touch of sophistication. Pair your blazer with jeans for a chic, casual look, or over a dress for a more polished ensemble. 2. Classic trench coats. A trench coat is another staple that exudes elegance. When shopping for an affordable trench coat, pay attention to the fabric and craftsmanship. Look for options in neutral colors like beige, black, or navy, as these shades are versatile and timeless. Ensure the coat has a good lining and sturdy stitching. Belted styles with minimal hardware can give off a sleek, expensive vibe. A well-fitted trench coat can be worn over virtually anything, making it a versatile piece in your wardrobe. Chic midi dresses. Midi dresses are perfect for achieving a sophisticated look without much effort. When choosing an affordable midi dress, consider the fabric and pattern. Opt for materials like satin, chiffon, or a high-quality cotton blend. Simple patterns like polka dots, stripes, or solid colors in jewel tones can appear more expensive. Pay attention to the fit. Look for dresses that cinch at the waist and flow gracefully. Pairing your midi dress with the right accessories can further enhance its luxurious appearance. 4. Tailored trousers. Tailored trousers are a must-have for any stylish wardrobe. Look for options that offer a good fit and are made from quality materials. High-waisted styles with a straight or slightly tapered leg can create a sleek silhouette. Neutral colors like black, navy, or gray are always a good choice, but don't shy away from experimenting with earth tones or pastels. Pair your tailored trousers with a crisp blouse or a fitted sweater for an effortlessly chic look. 5. Faux leather pieces. Faux leather items can give off a high-end vibe without the high-end price. From jackets to skirts to pants, faux leather pieces are versatile and trendy. When selecting faux leather, look for pieces that have a smooth finish and a rich color. Black is a classic choice, but deep burgundy or forest green can also look luxurious. The key to pulling off faux leather is in the styling. Pair a faux leather skirt with a cozy knit sweater or a faux leather jacket with a simple tee and jeans for an edgy yet sophisticated look. 6. Elegant knitwear. Knitwear can be incredibly chic if chosen correctly. Opt for sweaters and cardigans made from soft, high-quality materials like cashmere blends or fine wool. Neutral colors and classic styles such as turtlenecks, V-necks, and button-down cardigans can look very polished. Pay attention to the fit. Slightly oversized pieces can look trendy, while more fitted styles can be very flattering. Pair your knitwear with tailored trousers or a chic midi skirt for a look that's both comfortable and stylish. And stylish handbags. A stylish handbag can make a significant impact on your overall look. When searching for an affordable handbag that looks expensive, focus on the design and material. Structured bags with clean lines and minimal embellishments tend to look more high-end. Faux leather or vegan leather options in neutral colors like black, taupe, or tan can be very versatile. Pay attention to details like hardware, stitching, and the overall construction of the bag. A well-chosen handbag can elevate even the simplest outfits. 8. Timeless accessories. Accessories are the finishing touches that can make your outfit look polished and expensive. Invest in timeless pieces like gold or silver hoop earrings, a classic wristwatch, and a sleek belt. Scarves made from quality fabrics like silk or wool can add a touch of elegance. Minimalist jewelry and well-crafted accessories can enhance your look without appearing flashy. When it comes to shoes, look for classic styles like loafers, ankle boots, or pointed-toe flats in neutral colors. These pieces are not only stylish but also versatile enough to complement various outfits. Tips for shopping affordable fashion. To ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck while still achieving a high-end look, consider these shopping tips. Focus on fit. No matter how affordable a piece is, if it doesn't fit well, it won't look good. Pay attention to how clothes fit your body and consider tailoring more affordable items to get that perfect fit. Quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality pieces than a closet full of poorly made items. Look for well-constructed clothes with sturdy stitching and good quality fabrics. Stick to neutrals. Neutral colors tend to look more expensive and are easier to mix and match. Invest in blacks, whites, grays, and beiges for a timeless wardrobe. Avoid excessive embellishments. Simple, clean lines often look more luxurious than overly decorated pieces. Choose items with minimal embellishments for a chic, sophisticated look. Pay attention to fabric. Certain fabrics can look more luxurious than others. Materials like tweed, satin, chiffon, and well-made faux leather can elevate the appearance of an affordable piece. Check reviews. Before purchasing from a new brand or store, check reviews to ensure the quality and fit of the items meet your expectations. Achieving a high-end look on a budget is all about making smart choices and focusing on the details. By selecting timeless pieces, paying attention to fit, and choosing quality over quantity, you can build a stylish wardrobe that looks expensive without spending a fortune. We hope you found these tips and affordable fashion finds helpful. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how you style it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to eiwayshop for more fashion and beauty tips. Share your favorite affordable fashion finds in the comments below, or tag us on social media. We'd love to see your stylish looks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.